is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms here for another mindful moment. Today's mindful moment is one of our imagination vacation activities. I love our imagination vacation activities because they include no movement at all, and yet I think that once you do them, you will leave feeling so much more refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready for the rest of your day. The one we're going to do today really encourages positive thinking. It increases our confidence. It's a great affirmation. I love positive affirmations. We all need those affirmations sometimes. And I think this will leave you feeling empowered and ready to take on the day. So let's do it. This is called the Picture It Tree. And again, it's one of our imagination vacations, which means you can listen to this either in your sitting mountain, where you're just sitting in your strong seated mountain posture with your back straight and your head reaching tall and your shoulders back. Or if you'd like a more restful position to listen to our imagination vacation, you can join me in desk rest, which is where you just rest your arms on your desk and then put your head into your arms as if they are a pillow. We call that desk rest, which is a great position to listen to our imagination vacations as well. So whichever one feels best, desk, rest, or sitting mounted, go ahead and find yourself there. And if it's comfortable for you, begin to close your eyes. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, that is okay too. Do what feels good in your body. Begin to bring awareness to your breath, breathing in through your nose and out, in and out. Imagine you see a majestic oak tree standing at the center of a large open field. You walk over to the tree, you sit down, and you rest your back against the solid trunk. You feel peaceful and protected beneath the branches of this wise old tree. Listening closely, you begin to hear the tree whispering to you through the breeze. Its voice is kind, its voice is caring. The voice says, "Picture it, and it will be." You ponder this message for a moment, not knowing exactly what the tree means. But then you begin to think of something that you would like to be able to do well. Perhaps it's riding a bike, or maybe it's being more patient with your younger sibling. Or maybe you'd like to be more considerate of other people's feelings. Maybe you'd like to do better on your math tests. Or maybe you'd like to become a veterinarian someday. Whatever it is, imagine yourself doing it easily and perfectly. Stay with this picture now for a few minutes. What do you see when you picture it and it will be? Notice how you feel when you see yourself achieving something you really hope to achieve. Maybe you feel confident and powerful, so proud of all of your successes. Again, you hear the tree whisper. It says, "Remember, picture it, and it will be. Be who you want to be and make your dreams a reality." What a gift! You now know that when there is something you would like to be or something you would like to be able to do, you can take a few moments, close your eyes, and visualize yourself actually being able to do it perfectly. Then you can take a moment to feel the feeling of what that's like. It feels great. You say to yourself, "I can do it. I did it." "Thank you, tree. You are so wise," you say. Listening closely, you hear the tree whisper back, "You're very welcome. But know that the wisdom is always right inside of you, right there. For just a moment, think about the wisdom being inside of you. Sometimes it may not feel like you have the wisdom inside of you, but you do. You just have to believe it. When you're ready, take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. Then take a long exhale through your mouth. If you're in desk rest, begin to sit up. And if your eyes are closed, begin to open them. Continuing to breathe in and out, noticing your breath. Noticing how you feel now that you have pictured yourself doing something truly amazing. Sometimes using our imagination can help build our confidence. When we think positively, positive things are more likely to happen. Affirmations are a great way to remind ourselves that we can do and be anything we want to be. Maybe you'll even write your own affirmation. Something that says, I believe in me. I think I can succeed. I can be anything I want to be. Maybe write some down in your journal or in a piece of paper that you'll see often to remind yourself of all that you can do and all that you can be when you just believe it. Thank you for joining me for this mindful moment. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.